Hello and Assalamu alaikum Metaverse millionaires. This is Zindagi Sultan and in a while I'm going to upload my verification video on DTube. Uploading your verification video on YouTube is really important because it gives you so many benefits. First of all, it will put you on original DTubers verified list. Secondly, it will provide you DTC once your verification process is done. How many DTC will you get? Previously, they give you 10 DTC, but now it's just 5 DTC, and even this 5 DTC is not fixed amount because they give you DTC according to its value. If DTC value is high, then you will get less DTC. If DTC value is comparatively low, then you will get more DTC. So I hope you got it. So and in my previous video, I have cleared that you need DTC in your wallet for many purposes because it will increase your, it will refill your VP, it will refill your bandwidth power. So you need DTC in your wallet, and this is a good chance for me to get DTC in my wallet. So let's start with the verification video. Verification process simple. You just need to put your name, your DTuber's name on a piece of paper, and you have to write like I am metaverser 786 on DTube. So let's start the video. Hello dear DTC team, this is my verification video. I hope Hello dear DTube team, I hope you all are enjoying the best of life, and I hope you are also removing the errors we are facing while uploading all our videos. So this is my verification video, metaverser 786. I hope you will verify me as soon as possible. Metaverser 786. Bye bye, take care. Have you seen? The process was so simple. This process is simple. You just have to make a few seconds video and you just have to upload on DTube. You can upload it through peer-to-peer. You can upload it through YouTube link, and also you can upload it through file upload method. It's okay. Every method is okay, but remember, you always have to put the tag original DTuber, right? This will help them to find your video. Additionally, you can go to their Discord server and you can select the channel verification request, and you need to put that video link on the verification request channel so that they can easily see and find your video. This will speed up your verification process. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and also join DTube.